All right, here we have example 6, the final example. There is no quick check after this. After this, you'll go ahead and work on the practice problems. So let's look at this last one. The figure below shows a CD in a rectangular storage case, which is what is the approximate area of the storage case not occupied by the CD? So they got a little tricky here. So you can see the CD is a rectangle. We're going to subtract this whole CD area except for the center. It's shaded. So once we're going to have to find 3 of them. The area of the rectangle, the area of the big circle, and the area of the little circle. And then the thought is to take the area of the whole thing, the rectangle, subtract the big circle, but then add back in the little circle. So there's our 3 areas. So the area of the rectangle is pretty easy. Length times width, there we go, 173.6. Then we'll find the area of the big circle. So there's a thing about radius. Now hopefully you can see that this side going all the way across, 14, is not the radius because it goes past the circle. It's going from here, outside of the circle, all the way across, but it's got a little too much here. But it's this dimension that is actually the diameter of the circle. It goes across the whole circle there and no more. So our diameter is 12.4, so we're going to take that and divide it by 2 and get our radius, which is 6.2 centimeters. So now we can find the area of the big circle using this radius here. So pi times the radius squared, I get 120.8. Please practice checking this with your calculator and make sure I don't make a mistake here. Now we need the area of the small circle. So let's erase a little of this. And we can see they're telling us that this is 15 millimeters. Well, we need everything in centimeters. So when we add and subtract, we got the same units. So 15 millimeters is actually 1.5 centimeters. So then that is the diameter. So I'm going to take the 1.5 centimeters, not millimeters, divide by 2 and get 0.75 centimeters. Go ahead and put your units on that. Take your time and put that in there. Again, 15 millimeters. I'm not going to go into the conversion right now. If you have any troubles with different units in your problems, you let me know, okay? Millimeters really equals 1.5 centimeters. We want all the units to be the same, so we had our areas in centimeters here. These were centimeters for the big circle. So now the little circle needs to be in centimeters. So here our radius is 0.75 centimeters. So our area, again, pi r squared, pi times the radius, which was 0.5 centimeters to the second power, I get approximately 1.8. So that's that little one, which is shaded, and we're going to have to add that back in. So the shaded area equals the total area, which we had was 173.6. We subtract the big circle, which gets rid of the middle part too. The big circle was 120.8 square inches. I'm sorry, square centimeters. And then we add back in, since we subtracted it with this big circle, we add back in this little circle here, which was 1.8 square centimeters. And we end up with our final answer of 54.6. Check me on that. Check all my math in there. Now you're done with all the examples. We've seen some different things. If you need help with any formulas, let me know. Okay, you should have all your formulas for rectangle, square, circle, triangle. But if you get stuck, let me know on the practice a little bit. I'll try and give you a little hint. Good luck. Now go to the practice.